Let's look at this. Okay? As you can see in this place, this has base 2, and there is plus that separate them. That should tell you something. Should tell you that what is the first law of logarithm. That means we can bring this family together to settle them. Remember this term I'll be using. Before now, they were together as a family before the separation. So to bring them together, we use one of the base. Then we take this child, multiply by this child. This is how to bring them together. So this is what it was before the separation. So we are doing the work of reconciliation. So now that we are bringing these two together, they are still equal to 5. Now, remember, I told us that this is logarithm format. We can move it to indices format. What do? This guy is carrying this on his head. Now, these are protesting that we don't want to carry us again. Because this 2 is Mr. Carrier, he needs to go to the other side. Remember this pattern of explanation. You can watch the first video on logarithm to understand this better. So this needs to go to that side. Allow this to come down. When it goes to this side, it goes to this side to carry 5. Why are we doing all this? Because we are looking for x. We are solving for x. Okay? It means, therefore, we can rearrange this as s. I just put this to this side. Remember, there's this times in between these two. 2 raised to the power 5. What is this? This means s. What is on top of this set is 1. If you see anything without a value on it, there is 1 at the top. What is the meaning of the bracket? Times. This is 4 equals to this. Okay? Now, it means, therefore, if there is times here, the first law of indices, you can add this and this together. That is 1 plus 4 equals to this. This plus this is what? 5 equals to this. Because this and this are equal, this and this are definitely equal. Therefore, S is equals to 2. This is the answer. So S is equal to